He was a man that truly believed in the purpose of community health centers.
Senator Bond has never forgotten his roots. He's a man from central Missouri, and he understands the plight of the common man and woman. And as a result, he knows how important their health status is so that they can contribute their skills and their talents on a daily basis. So we owe a debt of gratitude to Senator Bond.
Without question, the most influential Republican congressman for the development of community health centers in the United States. And we have him to thank on so many levels.
We've all seen you at our community health centers across the state visiting with patients and have seen the genuine concern that you have for the pregnant moms to make sure that she has a good birth outcome, for the child who's simply there to get dental care and has not been able to get such dental care their entire life, or the elderly patient who may be suffering from a chronic disease such as diabetes. We've seen that concern both from you personally and in your expression of support at our health centers, and then obviously the financial support that you've been able to secure for health centers.
Thinking about our 20-year experience together, I remember the first time I met you, and I took you on a tour of the Kansas City community, and I shared some of our vision that we had back then. And I never will forget, after you asked me a series of rapid-fire questions, you told me, you said, "Frank, you got my support, but by golly, you better do what you say you're gonna do." And that has stuck with me for as long as we've worked together.
Well, Senator Bond, I just want to take this opportunity to tell you how much we appreciate you in the Kansas City area, and particularly those of us who work in community health centers. You've been a great champion and a great support to us all these many years, and we wish you well.
As a Vietnam veteran, I'd like to also thank Senator Kit Bond for keeping America strong. Senator Kit Bond, thank you for all that you have done.
Senator Bond, the Cross Trails family thanks you for your outstanding service to our country, to the state of Missouri, and particularly for championing the cause of community health centers. Thank you.
Senator Bond, it's my pleasure on behalf of the Board of Directors, staff, and over 11,000 patients of Access Family Care. We thank you, sir. We honor you for the many years of service and your commitment to health care for not only Missourians, but folks all across the nation. Sir, we thank you very much.
Senator Bond, I want to say thank you for all the help you've provided community health centers over the years. Your passion and support of the health centers is very much appreciated. Thank you.
On behalf of the thousands of veterans and their families in Northeast Missouri, we want to thank the Senator for his vision and all of his efforts to bring the Northeast Missouri Veterans Clinic to Kirksville. It has really saved thousands of miles of travel for our veterans who really need more access, and we know that that really was a cause that the Senator championed. So, Senator, thank you for your efforts, thank you for recognizing Northeast Missouri, and thank you for never forgetting our veterans.
Thank you, Senator Bond, for all the difference that you've made. First, when we were a community mental health center, and now it's a safety net community health center for our area. You've made such a difference in so many tens of thousands of people's lives in our area. Thank you, Senator Bond.
Senator Bond, I am Audra Johnson. I am with Central Ozarks Medical Center in Richland, Missouri. We want to thank you for all the support you have given to the community health centers over all these many years. You have done a fantastic job. Thank you so much.
My friend, today, as you know, we serve better than 20 million people, those uninsured and those in medically underserved urban and rural areas. And 20 million people is a lot. And let me just say, we would not be there without you and all the effort and endeavor that you have dedicated to make that happen. So on behalf of all of your friends in Missouri and across this nation, I say, my dear friend, thank you from all of us and from the bottom of our heart.
Senator Bond, your leadership has been pivotal in assuring that the common man has access to primary health care. And that, of course, helps the population as a whole increase and improve its health status. Thank you for your efforts on our behalf.
Your work has certainly been greatly appreciated. Your support has been just absolutely the best. And on behalf of myself and my family, we certainly wish you the very best of luck in your retirement. Don't be a stranger, and may God always be with you and your family. Thank you.
On behalf of SEMO Health Network, Senator Bond, I want to thank you from the bottom of our heart that I am telling you from all the communities in Southeast Missouri how much it was appreciated that the support and the attention that you gave to an area that was so underserved, and thank you very much.
On behalf of our patients, our board of directors, our providers, and the staff of Community Health Center of Central Missouri, we'd like to thank Senator Bond for being a champion of the Community Health Center program for so many years. We'd also specifically like to thank Senator Bond for being our champion. So from Jefferson City and Lynn, Missouri, we thank Senator Bond for the ability to provide access, regardless of ability to pay, to our patients.
Senator Bond, we want to thank you for the past earmarks that you have provided for us. It has expanded our services and additional patients have received care. In many areas, we are the only access to medical care. On behalf of the patients, the staff, and the Board of Directors of Missouri Highlands Healthcare, we thank you for your continued support.
Senator Bond, I am Amy Hughes Rogers, widow of Dr. Samuel Rogers. It is an honor for me to be able to say thank you for that which you have done for the center that Dr. Sam Rogers cared so much about and gave his life dedicated to its delivery of quality service. Thank you for your support.
Today we have medical care, from delivering babies to taking care of senior citizens. We have dental care, we have vision care, we have pharmacy care, and we've also been able to add mental health and substance abuse services. We would not have seen the growth in volume and the growth in scope of those services, Senator Bond, without your help. So for that, and on behalf of all the patients we serve, a very big thank you.
People have come to me time and time again and said, Frank, you are supporting a Republican, and how can you do that? And I said, because this guy, Kit, he understands that it's not Republican or Democrat, and it's about human values and human trust and honesty and integrity and doing the right thing for the people who support you. Senator Bond, it's been a pleasure to know you and work with you all these years. Good luck, Godspeed, best to you and your family, and blessings and safe homecoming to your son in Iraq.
Words cannot fully express the deep appreciation and respect that I have for you, both personally and professionally. And I can honestly say, sitting here today, that if you had not given me that opportunity 15 years ago, that I wouldn't be sitting here today doing a job that I love. And I so much appreciate you looking past that small blemish on my resume that showed that I went to the University of Kansas. And despite that, you gave me that opportunity.
And especially to children. You've just paid so much attention to making sure that all the children in the state of Missouri are covered properly for health care. You're a jewel. You're so special, and I miss you already, because I know you're still up there in D.C., but the thought of you not being there to continue our mission is a little bit frightening, but we know how to find you in Missouri if we need you. Thank you so much for your help.
On behalf of our patients, of our governing bodies, of our providers and staff and administrations, just let me say, and on behalf of Grace Hill Neighborhood Health Centers, that you've been a champion, and we're thankful. We're grateful for all that you've done. Thank you, sir.
As I said, you will be greatly missed, but you will never be forgotten.
And only for you, Senator Bond, and it's because you're retiring, will you ever get this Jayhawk to say, "Go Tigers"?